Hi guys, I'm Dr. Vijit and welcome to Slim Bite Eat Right Season 2. As you guys know, Season 2 is all about festive food and what better than a burfi. So let us welcome our very own, very fit Avanti Deshpande.
Hello Dr. Vijit.
Hi, how are you?
I'm absolutely
So what are we making today?
Today I'm going to make carrot burfi.
Burfi, burfi, yes. And tell me you're not going to put sugar in that.
Yes, absolutely. And like few more specialities if I have to say.
Okay.
I'm using carrot.
Okay.
I'm using pumpkins.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm using jaggery into it. So
Okay.
there's going to be no white sugar.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So it's going to be absolutely healthy for all the festivals that are just about to come.
Okay, and I'm eager. How are you going to make it?
Absolutely.
Yeah, jaggery is there. Let's start.
Yes.
Okay, how do we start then?
Okay. Now first we have to take carrots
Okay.
and pumpkin. Okay. Now for this I'm going to take 1 cup of carrot and I've shredded this carrot. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. This is a cup of carrot. Okay. And now with this I'm going to take half a cup of pumpkin. This is also shredded. Now in this, I'm going to put, this is skim milk.
Okay, skim milk.
Yes, I'm going to put 1 cup of skim milk. Alright, now I'm turning on the gas. Okay. Now basically, can I please have a spatula? Now the carrot and this pumpkin is going to cook in this milk.
In this milk, okay. We can carrot or pumpkin burfi.
Yes.
That without sugar.
Yes. And as you must be knowing, carrot and pumpkin both are excellent source of vitamin A.
Yes.
And I'm using jaggery in it, so it's going to be an excellent source of iron as well. It's extremely good to give it to kids. Okay, now the milk has started boiling.
Okay.
Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cover it and cook it for some time.
So you're going to cover it, okay.
Yes. I'm doing it on sim because often the milk can just it can curdle because of the carrots and the pumpkin, so it has to be done on a very sim.
Okay.
And because of the milk, it will cook in the steam,
Okay. So it will cook fast also?
Yes, it will cook fast. Okay, now it is almost cooked.
Okay.
And the milk has also reduced. Okay. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add jaggery into it.
Okay.
And the jaggery would be half a katori.
I'm wondering when one fine day
Yes.
when you will make a recipe on this show and you'll say ki you add a certain ingredient. Dil khol ke, it is never there. You always half katori, this full katori.
Oh no, for this this jaggery has to be fixed.
Okay.
It can't change the quantity of jaggery. The
Really?
reason being it won't set into a burfi. If it is too less, it's not going to set. If it is going to be too more, it's going to be liquidy and not going to set again.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the reason why you need to measure this
Measure the jaggery. So guys, that is a very important part. Jaggery is the most important part of how much to put, of course.
Now I've added the jaggery to it.
Yeah, it's got a now nice orange
Yes.
color now.
Now the thing is, first when you add jaggery, it will again become liquidy. The whole mixture will become liquidy, and then the jaggery starts cooking, and then it starts getting into one homogeneous mass.
Okay.
That is the end point. Okay. Now this is almost done. You can see, all this become a homogeneous mass. Okay. I'm going to add this elaichi powder to it for flavoring.
Smelling good?
Yes. Now what we'll do is I'll turn off this gas. Okay. I'm just demarcating this one area with a bit of ghee. Okay. Can you just shift everything up?
Sure.
Okay. We can pour this mixture on this, and then we will and now we will roll it out with the help of this rolling pin. Pass me that. I'm just going to grease this rolling pin as well a bit so that it doesn't stick to this.
Okay.
And you have to allow it to set now.
Okay, so you're not actually rolling it, you're just setting it.
Yeah. I'm just
I was
setting.
wondering who would roll it.
No. I'm just going to set it.
Okay.
Okay, this is the way.
Right.
Okay, Dr. Abhijit, now it will take about 3 to 4 hours to set.
Okay.
So what I have done for you is, I have got one more set which I have made.
Oh!
Especially for you to take. Here you go.
Yes, now this is looking very beautiful. You guys can see this. Tasting time.
Yes,
My
absolutely.
favorite time. Okay. It's looking good. Let me see how sweet it is.
Yes. How do you like it?
You're actually a very good cook, huh?
Yes?
I'll say it again clearly. You're actually a very good cook.
Thank
This
you
is
so much.
beautiful.
Yes?
Gorgeous. I don't have words. It's very nice. It's very sweet. You cannot say this is
There is no processed sugar. Yes.
you cannot say this is not healthy. I'm sure you give this to anyone, anywhere in the world, they say okay, this is full of calories. Wow, beautiful. Seriously.
Okay.
Thank you so
I'm
much.
glad you liked it so
Yeah,
much.
I loved it. Not
Yes.
bad. I loved it.
Yes, good. And everybody can enjoy this because this is absolutely healthy, tasty,
Yeah.
and nutritious.
Basically, the problem is that the whole of family can come and eat this, isn't it?
Absolutely.
So, calling off, signing off. Bye. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye. Thank you.